this is the wig. This is from Ali Pearl. I got this 18-inch body wave, and the good thing about this wig, it's already been bleached. I literally didn't have to do any bleaching, and it's already been plucked. I did pluck it a little bit also, just a little bit more. Came kind of already styled, so all I'm going to do is literally just put it on my head, cut off the lace. One thing about it though, it does have an elastic band, but they put it in the wrong place. It's supposed to be like, you know, across the, like around this part. So it is quite low, so this actually does not serve any purpose for the wig, but I might just cut it off and like reposition it. It should be like, you know, sewn at the lace. But it's fine, we are going to put it on anyway. I'm going to take the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond. I find that it works much better when you spray it on top than underneath. I'm using the brush to like sweep it in to the hairline. I just refreshed some of the curls. I really wanted something really like short, like shoulder length. It's so effortless and so like maintenance, really, really low maintenance. Absolutely love it. Like I said, you didn't really have to do much with this hair. This hair was so, it literally came ready to go. The lace was bleached, hairline was slightly plucked. I did go over it and it just laid so well. I absolutely love it. I also did use my lace tint as well. It just helps to like melt your lace into your skin effortlessly. Wig gurus, I'm literally run out. I mix caramel frappe and finest mocha together. I have like 2 parts caramel frappe and like 1 part finest mocha, and then I get my like customized color. The hair is so soft, so bouncy, and it's just great. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. I will put the info down below. It's honestly so maintenance free. I don't know the density of this. It feels like a 180, but it could be more. I will put the info down below. It might be more, maybe 200, but I just love how just nice and short and just perfect. Gives me more of like a grown-up feel since I turned 35. Kind of feeling a little bit more, you know, grown and, you know, someone's auntie. I mean, I am technically already someone's auntie, but you know, it's that kind of thing. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.